So, what's up guys? Good morning. Kagigising ko lang. Pansin nyo parehas lang yung damit ko. Ganyan talaga dito. Ganyan talaga ako. Kumbaga parang pambahay ko lang naman kasi. And, naligo naman ako gabi. Yan. So, panibagong araw. Um, bilang, isang OFW dito sa Canada. So, yung mga usual na ginagawa ko tuwing pagising ko, tuwing off ko lang din. So, let's go. Sama kayo sa akin guys. Kape muna tayo. So, yun. Tapos namin. So, pakulo muna naman tayong tubig. Para makapagkape. So yun, what's up guys? Good morning, no? Alright. So, panibagong umaga. Ay, syempre. Maliwanag na dito. Umaga na. It's already as 8 ng umaga. See? Ganda, diba? Yan. Liwanag na. Oh. Ganda ng umaga. Pero malapit na kasi mag-winter, guys. So, malamig siya ngayon. Parang nasa Baguio. Kaya ganito naman ako dito ako lagi sa pagising ko. Dito lang ako sa likod. Kakape. Ganun lang. So guys, labas ko na lang yung mga ito ko na muna yung mga lutuin ko. So, yun. Labas ko muna. Alright. Yeah. Ito. Yun lang. Share natin yan. So, yan. Panang manok. Ito na yung malutuin natin ngayong araw. Yan. I-defrost ko lang muna siya. Tapos mamaya lutuin ko na. So yun, what's up? Good morning guys. No? So nabihis ako ngayon. Punta tayong papagupit at saka bibili ng kamatis at saka sibuyas para sa lulutuin kong beef steak. Yung sibuyas and then yung kamatis naman para naman sa magamit ko pagka kumain ako ng itlog na maalat. So yeah, let's go. Labas na mo tayo guys. Let's go guys. Let's go. So yun guys, tawid na tayo. Okay. And let's go. Masyadong tao ngayon. Let's go guys. Tawid-tawid lang. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. May init. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Goods na goods talaga. Ano kaya to? Lalakad mo tayo guys. Maya, alright? Woo. So guys, now walking lang muna tayo. Sa pag-day off. Ayos na ayos lang. Walking on the streets. So yung ganda rito. See? Ito yung puno na ano, dahon ng Canada. Ayan. Tapos mamaya dyan akong papagupit. Yes. Dalawang onion lang kailangan ko. Katamtaman lang. Ako tayong supot. Ito lang bibiling ko guys. Ito na lang. O ito kaya. Ano kaya sa banda? Puti. O ito. Ito na lang siguro. Isa pa. Ayan. So yun guys, na nakabili na tayo. Pabalik tayo. Meron tayo sibuyas tsaka kamatis. So, pakain lang ulit. Pero bago ako umuwi, papagupit muna ako. So yun guys, tapos tayong pagupit. So, yan. Oh, $30. Let's go. Bali, okay naman. Para matagal-tagal na yung gupit natin. Talaga tayo magagawa sa buhok natin. Manipis na talaga yan. So, tanggapin na natin yan. Dahil pagtanda. So, pauwi na ako ulit guys. Let's go home. It's si Melanie. And there she is. Hey guys.
There she is.
Yeah.
Are we on live?
Yup.
Yay! Bon live.
Buwan mo live.
We're going to find the waterfall.
Yeah.
I'm going to show
She
him
she will just show me the falls, right?
the waterfalls.
The waterfalls and then
the marina.
Mm-hmm.
Who are these people?
Oh, it's just the Filipino people.
Hey guys!
Hey guys, what's up? Oh.
I can't. Show them. Hey,
Hey.
we're not allowed to be here. but
Yeah,
it's
we're not
okay.
we're not allowed, but we're here.
Ready?
Oh my god. No.
Around.
You're gonna do this
really
thing.
Can't go here.
Yeah.
The
here.
marina is this way, but
Okay. Oh, it's nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
At least now I know I have some place to go when I'm walking.
From this path, you see
Yeah.
the waterfalls.
But there's no way.
Yeah, there is right there.
Oh, that.
See where it's brown on the
Uh-huh,
ground?
uh-huh.
There's a path there.
Oh.
It doesn't show eh?
Oh yeah.
Come, let's go.
Let's go. So sasama ako guys. Let's go.
I come and I do yoga here.
Oh. It's so quiet. It's quiet, and you just hear the water.
I don't know.
Ah, this is the one you're talking about.
Yeah.
But it's so stiff.
Nah, we could go, but we don't have to. But I go down on this rock,
Uh-huh.
and you can't see the waterfalls. There's too many trees.
But
But that way,
this way.
the waterfalls are like you can hear them. They're just behind. They're like hidden. And they're behind the church too.
Oh really? There's a church in
There's a church
when I
on
cross that
side.
one.
Yep.
Oh.
By that same street we came,
Mm-hmm.
there's a church on the other side.
Oh.
Hey everybody!
Look how cool she is, what? She's nice. That's nice.
Right?
Uh-huh.
You can sit up here.
Ah.
Look, you can even go down here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to go now, but you can go if you want.
Oh, that's the falls.
It's beautiful, right?
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Show them.
Yeah. That's there's the waterfalls.
Waterfalls. There's a lot of mosquitoes on my People live here.
Mm-hmm.
Some people come and fish.
Mm-hmm.
The fish here. And look, you can see Montreal from here. Look
Is
over
that
there.
Montreal?
Yeah, that's Montreal down there. And
This is the Montreal.
yeah, Montreal.
And that hill is the
Montreal.
Montreal.
Yeah, in the
This
back
way.
there. Yeah, that was the way to
Uh-huh.
go to the waterfall.
Oh yeah, I see the like the old
The
old
entrance.
the old like cone building.
Yeah,
This is the church.
yeah.
Nice.
We like old buildings. There's not that.
Yeah.
Have the
Hi.
best day!
Have the best day,
Best
Melanie.
day to you!
So yun guys, no, ang bait ni Melanie. So, syempre, ginala na naman niya tayo. Ayun lang. Ay nako. Let's go guys, let's go.